Hello guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see over here, you can see a transaction receipt showing that I was credited. This I got free $1 by simply reviewing this app on Playstore. Come, let me show you how to do it. If you're new to my channel, do well to leave a subscription and a like in this video. I post legit money updates and how to get things done at cheaper rates. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do is go to your Play Store or App Store. I'll be dropping the link for this app. You make sure you sign in with a referral. So after signing up in this app, go to your Play Store. Then, cause me, I'm using App Store, so go to your Play Store. I'll use App Store as a demonstration for iOS users. So you go to your Play Store, search for Eversend, then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you're going to see review. You write a review. Eversend. But you have to sign up with the link I'm going to drop in the description box before this can work for you. Make sure you sign up with the link I'm going to drop in the description box before this works for you. So all you have to do is move over down here, rate them 5-star, then screenshot. You screenshot it. As you can see over here, this is the screenshot. You screenshot it, then return to the app, click on help button over here, click on help, then click on send us a message. Then when you send them, then you can send them a message here, or you can send it straight to their Gmail. So I'll send them a message. You can click on I have an inquiry. Okay, then the text box is going to appear after the bot replies to you. So when this text box appears over here, you're going to enter your Eversend tag. Let me show you how to do so. After verifying your account on Eversend, move over to your profile, scroll down, you're going to see tag. This is where you create your Eversend tag. So move over to help. I'm going to show you my conversation. Let me show you my conversation. As you can see, I wrote I need to speak with an agent, then I screenshot it, then I put my tag, and as you can see, they have responded. Thank you for the Play Store review. We appreciate your continued support. Your proof has been submitted to our team and you receive an update as possible. After this, just give them at least 24 hours. You receive free $1. You receive free $1, as you can see over here. Free $1 from Eversend app. Free $1, as you can see over here. You see, thank you for your review. That's the note. So if you found this video helpful, do well to leave a like and a subscription.